कर्नाटकच्या 14 वर्सां पिराये सकयले क्रिकेट पंगडान रोमांचक जाल्ले निमणे मॅचीत तामिळनाडूक हारावन दक्षिण विभाग आंतरराज्य क्रिकेट सर्तीचे वस्तादपण मेळयले। कर्नाटकाचो मुखेली जे सुकृतान प्रभावी अष्टधांशी प्रदर्शन घडोवन आपल्या पंगडाक जैत मेळोवन दिले। चिखले एसएजी क्रिकेट मैदानार मॅच जाली। तामिळनाडून टॉस जिखून पहिली बॅटिंग करपाचो निर्णय घेतलो। निर्धारित 90 ओव्हरींनी 9 बाद 363 धांवड्यो काडल्यो, पण कर्नाटकाक 88 ओव्हरींनी 8 बाद 366 धांवड्यो करून आपलो स्कोर हुप्पाक यश आयले। मॅच 3 बाद 82 धांवड्याचेर संतुलित उरली, पण सुकृत आणि आरुष जैन हांचे मदीं महत्वाची भागीदारी करून डाव बदललो। सुकृताच्या जबरदस्त शेकड्यान ताच्या पंगडाक जैत मेळोवन दिले।
I think so today's final, though we missed a major part of it, but everybody told us that it was a very good chase by the Karnataka team. So I think so you need all the applause. And Tamil Nadu team, you will not be dejected. Somebody has to win. Maybe it was not your day today, but definitely this is one of the basic starts from where you start. You know, everybody is watching you. Today this was a South Zone final. So tomorrow we don't know who from here is or Virat Kohli or Sachin Tendulkar. We don't know, but somebody from here only is there. But I just want to say one thing, that in any game today there is no shortcut. There is no shortcut. You have to work hard. And today's cricket is not like the olden days. Today it is like you perform or you perish. You have to perform. You have to show your game, and then you can come in the Indian team. And if you want to stay also, you have to be consistent enough to be there.
Wish you all the best luck, especially Karnataka State Cricket Association, for winning this prestigious trophy, Southern trophy. I mean, it was a good chase. That's what I heard. I couldn't reach on time, but then it was a good chase and very commendable job. Congratulations to KSCA. Also, big congratulations to Tamil Nadu Sports Cricket Association for making it to the finals. I mean, I hope you boys enjoyed well in Goa and did some good homework about our Goan grounds.
GOA365 खातीर हिरू महाले, मनीष परब आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।